What's up, YouTube? Let you guys know, a couple days back we had a couple more packages coming in the mail, so the mails ran. We have a couple things coming in to check out today, so stay tuned. Let's see what we got in the mail. Alright guys, so we got a couple packages in the mail. This one's fresh, has not been opened at all. However, with this Crescendo box, it threw me off when it came. As you can read as I did, it says Crescendo Audio UN10 4-ohm. Thing about it is, I didn't order Crescendo UN10s, and I didn't order 4 ohms. I ordered PWX 10s, and I ordered 8 ohms. So I had planned to open it with you guys, but since the box said the wrong thing, I wanted to make sure I got the right package. So I was able to double check order information. As you can see, in the box we do have 2 PWX 10s, 8 ohms. So exactly what I ordered. Shout out to downforsoundshop.com for these, and Sky High Car Audio for this one. So we already got this one started to open. Let's go ahead and pull everything out and see what we got. Alright guys, picking up where we left off, we got a couple Crescendo stickers. Throw these in the pile with the rest. Get a nice Crescendo lanyard. Very nice. What do we have here? Alright, let's pull one of these suckers out and take a look. See what we got. Crescendo Audio PWX 10s, rated at 300 RMS, 8 ohms. I'm excited to check her out. 2.5-inch voice coil. Let's see what she got. Buddy, I like this. Some screws. Alright, let's check it out now. Nice push terminals. Nice woven cone area. It's very stiff. Alright. Let's set this down. Take a look at it. Alright, let's check her out. Alright guys, so there's the first look at the Crescendo PWX 10s. first impressions, I'm pretty happy. I knew it was going to be a 10. You know, I know what size 10s are, but it's for mid-bass loudspeaker, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So we'll continue to check out what we got today. Let's take a look. Alright guys, we're back to it. We got both the Crescendo PWX 10s pulled out of the box. Now it's time to get into opening this. But before I do, got one more thing I want to go over with you guys. I want to stress how important it is to always check in to finding the best price. For me personally, price is a big deal. So when I'm able to find it for a cheaper price or save on something, definitely recommend looking into it. So what I'm going to do for you next is here. I'm going to show you the difference. So I've been looking at these Crescendo PWX 10s for quite a while on Crescendo's website. They had dropped the price a while back, and something I've been looking at getting, so finally got around to doing it. Had always planned on it being this price right here. Well, I never really thought about shipping, so I went to order it, and then bam, almost $23 in shipping, which, you know, I mean, it's $23, but hey, if I can save it, I would. So I thought around, and I'm like, where can I go? Downforsoundshop.com right here. Check it out. Free shipping. Same thing. Same original price. No shipping costs. Free. Right here. Same cost originally. Same product. Bam, bam. Free shipping. So, always recommend, hey, shop it around. See if you can find a better price. Down for Sound Shop usually, you know, seems to be a pretty good indicator of what the price is going to be. So I'm sure not all things are free shipping through the site. This is the only thing I've ever ordered directly from him. So shout out JP, appreciate the help there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get an unboxing this. What do we have here? So again, I was shopping around. I had found some JY wire, I believe it's through SSA.com, and thought I got a good deal on it. Went for shipping. Again, it was like $16 in shipping for $20 wire. So shopped around, went to Sky High, and got a combo pack. Got 100 foot of each. It is CCA speaker wire. We have 14 gauge. This must be the 16 gauge. And then we have 12 gauge. And I think it was roughly $44 free shipping. 300 feet of wire. So I figured this will also kind of help me back at the amp differentiate what wires are going to what. So we're going to have the Crescendo 10s in the doors. We'll have 3 tweets, these 2 mid-bass, and then a total of 4 additional 6.5s, as you've seen in the prior video. So this will kind of help me separate which speakers on what, by which gauge wire it is. So that's what we got for today, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. There will be more updates to come. Lastly, really I'm only looking into needing, probably need about 50 feet or so of some 1/0 or welding cable to get what I need done. I already have some existing wire in the car I'll try to utilize as best I can. But we have that, and then we just need material to build the wall. You know, wood, screws, glue, and then material to do my front doors and A-pillar. You know, fiberglass, rage gold, body filler, everything else we'll need there. So stay tuned for the channel for updates. We'll continue to make new videos as we can. I've still got a temporary setup in the vehicle now. I have 6 Sundown Audio SA8 Rev 3 dual 2s in the vehicle now, currently for sale. So if you need them, hit me up selling them for about $700 with the box. Can't really beat that deal. But yeah, we'll have to do a quick video and give you a rundown of what's currently in the vehicle before we make the changes. But again, guys, appreciate you guys watching, and check you out next week. See you.